the elevator at the Archives, Navy Memorial Penn Quarter Metro Station. I think I called it. I did hear a bell, so it might be coming. There's a shaft down there. Yep, it's coming. I see it coming. Alright. Yep. It's here. It's down to the mezzanine.
Level going down.
Probably automatic, so that's why it's not gonna light up or anything. And down we go to the underworld. Probably US elevator, pretty sure.
Mezzanine level going up.
Okay. There it goes. And that's it.